Hello traders, today is the 4th of March, Wednesday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best Forex trade analysis and the result. Let me show you my trading activities. I've managed to bank 101 pips through live intraday analysis. As you can see, this is the breakdown of all of my trades. I had like 4 or 5 probably losing trade, but I managed beautiful pips today. My best trade was 21 pips. That's a pound Swiss franc short trade. Let me show you. As you can see, this trade was taken on the pullback. That was my entry, and as you can see, this is my exit based on the live intraday analysis. Beautiful short trade, banks of beautiful pips. As my last trade was 10 pips on euro yen. This trade was taken here again based on the live intraday analysis on pullback and beautiful price nicely based on the momentum. I was looking at pullback long. This is trade taken, and this is my trade close. Beautiful pips. All right, so that's my trades, and let's back to the analysis. Okay, just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with the live RD commentary support. On the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on this analysis. We had such an interesting move, especially this morning. Even while I was doing analysis, we found a very volatility in the market. So Euro Swiss franc, this was the you can see this was the breakout trade, a very small long trade on Euro Swiss franc. And pound yen, as you can see, while I was doing this analysis, a breakout price was here at that time and price shoot up. And then I explained to my traders, guys, we should be expecting a pullback. If not, then we should be looking at breakout of this support. But as I mentioned, all of my traders, the best way to trade, to look for the pullback after the breakout, because that's give us the confirmation and high probability trade. So that you can see price broken and the retest, that's give us the confirmation. As soon as the price broken the previous low, we announced to take a short trade and beautiful pips on pound yen. That's what we call intraday analysis. We keep an eye on price movement. As soon as the price develops pattern, we broadcast instantly into the platform. Pound Swiss franc has the same sort of things. You can see while I was doing analysis, the price broken and said, guys, wait for, be patient for that. And if you don't see any pullback, then we should be looking at breakout short trade, which I already mentioned at that time, the breakout. So we can see we'll consider this one false breakout and beautiful breakout short trade and price nicely hit to the final target. Beautiful short trade. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the breakout as we mentioned. On the analysis, they look for the price. If the price going to respect, the confirmation is if you look at the price respected this level previously, we said the safest trade would be the breakout of this resistance, and that's what exactly happened. And price nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful long trade this morning on euro pound. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the triangle pattern breakout. After the breakout, we also had a pullback long trade on euro yen. Pound Swiss franc, this is the trade. As I mentioned, you guys, I banked good pips on this one. Pound Swiss franc pullback short trade, pretty straightforward. Pound dollar, beautiful breakout. As you can see, the price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, we announced pullback short trade as soon as the price hit to the orange EMA. Beautiful two short trades this morning on pound dollar. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. Price developer consolidation. We announced we will look for the breakout of this consolidation. Price nicely broken and nicely hit to the first target profit. Beautiful long trade on pound yen. Dollar, Kiwi dollar, you can see it. A beautiful triangle pattern breakout and short trade. And dollar CAD, we had this breakout. After the breakout, as always, we're looking at pullback. As you can see, price developed pullback, and we banked such a good pips as soon as the price hit to the recent low. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the triangle pattern breakout long trade. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward. This was the breakout long trade. And euro USD, pretty straightforward. As you can see, we had such a beautiful breakout. And after the breakout, as always mentioned, that look for the pullback. We have one pullback and the second pullback. As we know that as soon as the price hit to the resistance, we develop a pullback. Beautiful three short trades on euro USD today. And pound yen, pretty straightforward. After that trade, we had another beautiful price developer pattern, and this trade was very good. As you can see, we're expecting a breakout. After the breakout, what happened? Price retest, and then as mentioned on the analysis, and beautiful short trade, and price nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful short trade on pound yen. Dollar cad, we had this profit, and after that, as I mentioned on the analysis, the price has, this was analysis just before the news release for the cad. As you can see, as always mentioned here, even in analysis you can see that I mentioned, guys, this is the bearish flag pattern. More likely is gonna break, as mentioned even on the analysis you can see it, and beautiful breakout, and afterward we had a pullback short trade. This was the trade just before the news. After news, the price basically reversed, but we had a beautiful short trades just before the news release. 13, 15 GMT, we announced to bank some profit because the news is about to release. A beautiful short trades on dollar cad. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis, we had a beautiful pullback short trade only because we announced to bank some profit as soon as the price hit to the support level, and only show very short small trade, but again based on the analysis, beautiful uh, trade. And dollar yen, pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis, look for the breakout and look for another pullback. So we had this breakout, and after this breakout we also had a pullback short trade. Dollar yen, euro yen, pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis, that first priority will be the pullback. As you can see, we haven't seen any pullback, and that's give us the okay. And then we mention here, after the breakout and retest, what happened after the breakout and price retest? Beautiful long trade on euro yen. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis, that we should be looking a pullback here, but as you see that we haven't seen any green candle here, we haven't seen any green candle here. That give us the confirmation that look for the breakout, and then also look for the safer trade would be the after the breakout and pullback short. As you can see, we had a breakout, and after that price nicely developed a pullback. We had a two pullback again. This was the again bearish flag pattern, beautiful breakout. So we had a three beautiful short trades on pound Swiss franc. Euro pound, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful pullback short trade. Pound dollar, beautiful breakout trade. And after that, we announced all the pullbacks long. Beautiful three long trades on pound dollar. At the New York session at the end, we can see some strength on cable. Beautiful three long trades on pound dollar. Pound yen, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis and through live audio commentary, that we can see some very strong momentum. So any pullback as mentioned here and through live audio commentary would be considered a high probability trade. As you can see, we had a beautiful pullback long trade on pound yen. Euro USD, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis, that look for the breakout and also look for the pullback. So you had a breakout and the pullback long trade on counter long trades on Euro USD. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you want to watch live intraday analysis in real time with the live audio commentary, most welcome to join our professional trader community at forexeasytrades.com. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for the latest analysis. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time with more analysis.